Morning. So today I have a 2010 Chevy Equinox, and this is the 6-cylinder one, 3.0 V6. Got a little leak. Um, there's a spot leak under the car. So when I look in it, I see a little bit paddle down here. I'm not sure my camera can see it, and that is on top of the water pump, and that got caught up a little puddle, and I can see little spot oranges right there under this hose, the two bolt right there behind there, so my camera won't see it. Let me deepen down a little bit. If you have a leaking, you don't know where to coming from, look under this pipe right here. Look under this pipe straight down, so you will see it. Okay. So on this, you just push this pin, push this pin down so it can get an opening. Tap this open, pull that out. Okay, that's out, and this one just take out from the other side. Look, this bolt right here. Okay. This bolt is the same length. Okay, there's another hose behind this body throttle. So you can take it out, this out. So inside here got a ring, so it could be that it's leaking. Just take this air box out, and try to see I can take the rings out from here. Take this motor mount out. You have to have a jack to support the bottom of the wall pan. It doesn't drop really far. You don't have to put it, but I would say the best is put jack in the bottom would be better. So I'm removing this bracket here. It's number 18. Okay, I'm gonna take this 210 out. I have a bucket catch down the water in there already, so you don't have to be worried much. Okay, there's a seal right here, and I think maybe that's a seal that caused leaking, and either probably this one too. Okay, and the drip probably dripping from, okay, take camera. So there's no watermark from on top here, maybe from either the one right here. I can see a little bit watermark right there, and nothing from here. If I from here shouldn't drip to this side, so it could be from this one and drip down to here. So we'll see if I can replace this two ring here, and that will stop. Let's see. I don't see no watermark on this side either, so could be from somewhere. So not exactly sure where the water coming from, but I think this is the water coming from, because this is the only place that I can see watermark. So it could be this O-ring right here. Okay, I think this O-ring is the one causing it, because got pretty warm right here, so that may be causing water leaking from here. Okay, so I'm going to replace this ring and put it back to see how it's work. Okay, I'm going to clean this out and put a little bit silicone in here to help protect it, because maybe the silicone will help, extra help. Okay, and I got the new ring, so I'm going to put these rings in with silicone, and that will be ultra black and oil resistant one. Slide this in. So I'm going to put both silicone right here and stick this back in there to see that will stop the leak. Okay, so on the other side where I take them out, is just don't do on that side, because you waste your time on it. The reason I do it, I want to make sure on that side have water or not, so to be safe, so I have to do. Okay, it's done. So in a couple minutes I will test it to see any more drip, because I have to have this silicone set it for a while until the silicone is tied up, and I will warm up the engine till run to normal temperature, and I will ready to set to see if any drip after that. If no drip, it should solve the problem. Normally if you put all new rings on it and then drip from somewhere right there, should solve the problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like the video. Don't like the video, still thumb up. How about that? And thank you for watching. Subscribe, help my channel to grow too. Okay, so bye bye now.